touched your hands.
Legion, why do you hate me?
I don't know. Today you're just like you're really pushing my buttons.
Okay.
You're just like all over my buttons. You're just doing the fucking poke on my buttons right now.
Okay, I'm feeling you. I'll stop poking your button.
No, I said the polka. Damn it! Fucking penguin!
One tag.
What? This side.
Pushing
Hey,
right
ramp.
now.
Hey, ramp. Eh.
I hear him.
Come here.
One's freaky.
You impressed yet?
No.
Bo, you impressed?
I was alive. I didn't know that we had a dead guy on B. He's pushing into his truck.
I'm squeaky.
Guy ran out of A, man.
Command
Yeah,
on Z
he's gonna
highway.
have to be squeaky.
That's kind of squeaky.
Thanks for watching. Make sure and check out my other videos, subscribe here, hit me up on Twitter, and most of all, come visit me on Twitch. Because if you don't, I'll have to hunt you down and shove kitten-sized cupcakes in your face space until you do.
No!
Whoa. So this is probably gonna go B.
Yeah, he has bomb.
I'm pretty fucked either way, honestly. Oh my god, he's already there?
She trucked it.
He's right here. Nope.